I heard you were kind of new to the stock market. You're looking for some plays that can make you some big money, and you're tired of working at that 9 to 5 job. I think I may be just the guy that can help you.
1,000, 2,000 trees. I'll make guacamole from investing in my brother. And my brother. Lanzo Lamelo, I get it with my brother.
What is good, YouTube? It is your motherfucking boy, The Session. I'm here on this lovely evening, but for you, it is the morning. I have some amazing plays for you. I really want to feed y'all and help y'all. Those of you who are, whether you're in the Discord or whether you just Instagram follow or part of the YouTube family, whatever part you are or on public, I want to thank you for being able to support me, and I want to be able to feed constantly. So today, I have some amazing news on some stocks and some dope ass plays, as well as a couple extra. When I say a couple, I'm talking about 5 or more extra stocks that I'm going to give you. I'm going to show you that these plays are hot. These are growth stocks that you can hold long-term, short-term, but make some motherfucking money on. You hear me? So this is time for us to maximize our profits. If you have some capital, it's time for you to put it somewhere. And that where is possibly in these stocks that are growing insanely right now. I like to take this time to encourage you all to go tell someone you love them. Go tell someone you're proud of them. It doesn't cost any money. Go repost somebody that's doing something well. One of your homies that's making an entrepreneurial endeavor of some sort. Go tell them, good job. We salute you. You're doing excellent. Keep it the fuck up. Good job, friend. Hey. Okay? So I'm proud of you all. Hit the like button, subscribe. You know all that other good shit. I have the plays. It's time to get into the phone right now. Okay? See the high hairball? He's here. He's always here. Fantastic. Boom, we come over here, and today we're going to be using the beautiful public. So the first play of the day is GLSI. This is Greenwich Life Sciences, and as you see on the day, it is up. That's not a typo. It's not an error. 61.7%. This is almost 62%. When I woke up at some point in the early morning in like 10 or 9, this thing was up almost 80%. So this stock has been flying. So if you look on the 5-day, it is up 10.5%. On the month, down only 2%. And on the 3-month, look at this, 590%. That's disgusting. So I had to enter some position in this. I was able to purchase 3.5 shares of this at this current price. As we get more money, we'll continue to feed this. I let it go down a bit. Again, I told you, words of the wisdom for entry looking into stocks is, if you want to ride the hype and you're like, whoa, I want to get on, it's going to the moon, and you want to type those emojis, just understand when you get in, when it's shooting high, when you purchase your stocks, you may have to recover and average down in order to start making money, unless the stock continues to surge forward. But if you feel like, hey, I don't want to miss out on this play, I really need to get a piece of this, you can enter on that. But what I did was wait for it to come down a little bit. It was up in the 80%. I seen that it came down a bit, and it was still, had a little spice to it, so I decided to get position. My average cost is around $37. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about the company, because I have some special news for this. Greenwich Life Sciences engages in the development of a breast cancer immunotherapy designed to prevent the reoccurrence of breast cancer following surgery. That is huge for all my beautiful, beautiful, loved ladies out there. I have plenty of sisters. I have a queen, and I have a mother. So I love all you beautiful women out there. I love you ladies. We need them, we need those, we need the pouches to be healthy. All right. So I got some good news about Greenwich. Greenwich is skyrocketing over 48%. And this is from the Motley Fool. This article is from the Motley Fool, which I found on Yahoo Finance. What it says here is that it is unusual for the addition of the new vice president to provide such a massive catalyst for the biotechnology stock. In this case, the hiring of Thompson, who is Jay Thompson, it actually increased investors' confidence about the potential for success in the late-stage study of Greenwich's GP2 cancer immunotherapy candidate in treating breast cancer. So with that being said, Jay Thompson has actually said she will be working full-time with her primary focus being to guide the pivotal study of GP2. She has over 30 years of experience in pharmaceuticals and medical device product development. So this is huge. This is huge news. We need all the women out there as healthy as we can because you all run the world. You are huge parts of this world. You have big voice, and I love the hell out of all of you. All right, so GLSI, maybe something for the ladies, the fellas, everybody to take a chance to look into this company and kind of commend what they're doing. That's when I love the stocks the most. When they're making me money and I believe in the company, fantastic. So this one, as you see, $37.20. That's right now, according to public. It could be a little different if you're using Robinhood, something that has after hours numbers. But this is very affordable. GLSI. I love this one. I got some position. Okay, I'm here with play number 2. And play number 2 is OPGN. This thing right here is on fire too. Just like Dylan. I'm talking about hot fire. You see on the day, up 36.7%. On the week, 22.4%. On the month, another 13%. On the 3 months, another 36%. This stock is just on fire. It's been going up consistently and continuously. This is a penny stock for those of you. I know y'all love y'all penny stocks and your cheap stocks and the things you can pump and dump or get today and leave by 2-3 days from now. So this is something to look at. This is something to look at. And let me tell you about the company. It's a precision medicine company harnessing the power of a molecular diagnostics and informatics to help combat infectious disease. It also engages in the development of molecular information products and services for global healthcare settings. All right, so let me tell you a piece of news I found from Yahoo Finance. The shares took off Monday, today, after the precision medical company said a peer-reviewed publication found its hospitalized pneumonia panel was a reliable and rapid diagnostic test to identify bacterial and co-infectious in hospitalized COVID-19 patients with pneumonia. So this is huge. It's allowing them to find certain sicknesses for people that are hospitalized for COVID-19. And I guess maybe see if the source of those problems was COVID or where the source was. So this is huge. And as you see, as a result of it, they've been on fire. So this one does not have any options trading. But as you see right now, according to public, it is $2.68. Very affordable. And again, if you're doing a penny stock, I suggest a trailing stop loss. Especially if you're not knowledgeable to the point where you know a ton about the company. This one could easily drop back down to $1, but it could just as easily go up to $3.50. So I like this play. If you have a couple dollars in capital, this is maybe the one for you because you can actually make some money. If you only put $20 in there, you're not going to get that much money if it goes up another 36%. But if you put another $1,000, $2,000, so this is for the people who have a little bit of free capital. OPGN, very affordable play. I've already had numerous people DM me and say, hey, this play fucking helped me. This is amazing. I've made money off of it. Name you 5 different stocks that are also on fire and having great numbers and have had great numbers, which showing that it's not a fluke. They've had great numbers for over a month now. So I'm going to pull the name of the stock up. I'm going to show it to you on the screen. I'm not going to say much about it, but I'm just going to give you the name of it so you can look it up on your own. All right, here we go. First, NAKD, Naked. Okay, so you see right here, Naked is on its way back up. Those of y'all who've been following the channel, y'all know when we got AMC, SNDL, GME, all that stuff, that's around the same time we got Naked. And we've been waiting to average down on this play. This is an opportune time if you still have positions in this. This is about to break $1. I'm just throwing it out there. It's about to break $1. It went up 14% today. Another stock is SC. This is Santander Consumer. You see on the day it is up 2%. On the week up 4%. On the month another 2%. And on 3 months another 15%. The numbers have been consistently fire. And this engages in the provision of consumer financing services. It offers retail installment contracts, vehicle leases, dealer loans, financial products, and services related to motorcycles, motor cars, and marine vehicles. Needless to say, this is very useful. This is an American company, SC. For my car lovers out there, this is Fisker FSR. Ticker symbol FSR. Today it is $21.74. It was up 2% today. On the week, down 20%. But guess what? On the month, it was up 45%. Amazing numbers. They engage in researching, developing, and producing next generation electrically powered vehicles. That's Fisker. Go check them out. FSR. Then we see OSCR, which is Oscar Health. You see right now this is $31.88. On the day it is up 2.8%. The day and on the week this thing is up, as you see. And as you see right now, even on the public app, you can kind of scroll down and you can see the road to IPO. So with the public app, each of these apps are going to offer different perspectives and articles and things into the stock. This one is showing you can actually explore the timeline of start to finish when this stock did IPO. So that's pretty damn cool. This is OSCR. Okay, and last but certainly not least is another play of KR. This is Kroger. This is a grocery store. I've never seen it, but I know it's a grocery store. On the day, it is up 0.8%, almost 1%. On the week, this is up 5.5%. On the month, this is up another 5.3%. To me, that shows incremental growth month after month, week after week. Those are things to look for in a company that's having consistent and steady growth. So that's going to do it. That is KR is the last play. I hope you enjoyed. I feel so good being able to get that many plays because now we have budgets for everyone. No matter what your budget is, we have, if you want longer calls, if you want cheaper price stocks, medium-sized or more expensive size. We don't always offer the most expensive, size stocks on here, Amazons and things of this nature or Berkshire Hathaway. But if that's something you're interested in, let me know. I gave you some affordable ones because that's primarily what y'all asked me for. I hope that y'all can eat off of this. I love the information that we've been sharing. Keep being amazing. Keep supporting the channel. Keep running it up on all platforms. Y'all been helping me out. Y'all running it up on my Spotify at the session. Running it up on YouTube. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers. Instagram, y'all running me up. So I love this. I appreciate it. Let's get it popping in the Discord. $5 to change your life because every Friday I'm doing a giveaway. So this is not a one-off thing. This is something that's going to always grow your mind. It's very important that you invest the money. It has to cost something because when something costs, you're going to pay more attention to it rather than something that's free. All right. I love you. That's all I got. Have a great afternoon by the time you're seeing this and let me know what you think of the stocks. Stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.